Hi guys, thought I would just make a small video about a small bug I found in Fusion 360. I have no idea why this happened. I have a feeling why it happened. If I go back to the timeline, I have two parts here. And the first part is the top part. I extruded that first. And then I went here and I used let me see, the same sketches with outlines, and I let me see if it's the right one. Top, that's the one I think I used, and I used the same sketch twice to extrude two different objects. But what I found that happened was kind of weird. I could rename the top one, but I couldn't rename the bottom one. The bottom one would always automatically rename back to body 2. And I couldn't fix this. I could create a body or a component out of the top one. Or if I selected the second body and tried to make a component out of that, then it made a component out of the first one, and then it left the second one there, and I still couldn't rename it. And so what I did was I just reverted back to a version I was happy with, and then I closed Fusion, and I got several instances saying, like error messages when I tried to start it again, saying you cannot launch several copies of Fusion 360 at the same time. You can only launch one. And then I went into the system tray on my computer and I right clicked on the icons for the Autodesk and quit all those. And then I started up Fusion 360 again, and for some weird reason then I was able to rename body 2, and it started behaving as it should. It goes with the same story that when I couldn't rename it, I couldn't select it either. I could sort of mark it like that, but it wouldn't light up the model like this. It would just leave the body unselected, sort of. And so it seems to be a bug in Fusion 360. I don't know what causes this exactly, but for me, I had the problem when I tried to extrude the object from the same sketch, I think, and when they sort of occupy the same space originally. Because if you can see, this is the first object, second object, and this is the first object, so they both actually occupy the same space. One is a little taller than the other. So I thought I would just let you guys know that that could be the solution to your problem if you cannot rename your bodies. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.